Hello students, today is 22nd March 2020. We are beginning with chapter 7, life processes. Processes that occur inside the body of living organisms are called life processes. Life processes can be divided into two categories. One is the building up reactions, or these are called anabolism. Another is the breaking down reactions, and the breaking down reactions are also called catabolism. In anabolism, two or more simpler substances, they join to form a complex substance. For example, photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, simpler substances like carbon dioxide and water, they combine in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which provides a green pigment, and they prepare sugar, which is called glucose, and in this process oxygen is released as a byproduct along with energy. Now you can see that two or more substances, they are joining to form a complex substance. This is anabolism. Now catabolism. When a complex substance breaks down into two or more simple substances, this process is called catabolism or breaking down reaction. For example, we have oxidation of food. Now you can see that oxidation of food, this equation is opposite to the photosynthesis. Here the products of photosynthesis will become reactants, that is C6H12O6. Glucose or carbohydrates, they will be oxidized to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. Like this you can see these sugar and oxygen, they are written over the left hand side, that is they become reactants, and carbon dioxide and water, they have become the products. This is the oxidation of food, that is catabolism. Now you can see in our body two types of reactions are taking place. Either the simpler substances, they are combining to form a complex substance, that is anabolism, and the second type of reactions are a complex substance is breaking down into the simpler substances, that is called catabolism. Sum total of anabolism and catabolism is called metabolism. So we can define metabolism as sum total of all biochemical reactions occurring in the body. They are called metabolism.